welcome to my Pop on Veneers tutorial. Wow, absolutely wow. Let me show you the process of Pop on Veneers. Here are the actual molds of my teeth. 1 and 2. Now look at what Pop on Veneers did for me. Voila. Fantastic teeth. And don't forget your fresh foam. Your fresh foam, you can put this inside of your veneers to keep your veneers fresh 1 to 2 times per day, as well as your teeth. I'm telling you, Pop on Veneers, you have changed my life and given me the smile I've always wanted. Thank you so much.